Hello, sweet friends, and welcome to my channel, Crafting with me, Indiana Jones. This past weekend, I had the honor to be a part of the Mayor's Ball, celebrating 100 years of United Way Miami. But it was in the roaring 20s Great Gatsby style, so let's see what I created for today. The Biltmore in Coral Gables, Miami, Florida is one of the most beautiful landmarks in Miami, and it is about to celebrate its centennial in the perfect setting for a Great Gatsby style gala. To start this project, I decided to take apart this little crown that I made last year, and I thought I would reuse many of the items for my beautiful peacock feathered headband. So as you can see, I took that central part and decided to add some peacock colored jewels or gems, and these are the ones that I bought at the Dollar Tree, and they're these little bottles. They had this beautiful teal blue and green, the absolute perfect colors for a peacock headband. And as you can see, the style that I used for these metal adornments from the crown are perfect as they look like a peacock as well. So just one by one, I was adding these little gems to the peacock or the central part of this headband. I had to work quickly and I had to work fast because I think I started creating this just a few days right before the actual event. Now, this is our grand gala event that we have once a year, and it is hosted by our mayor. And it was just so wonderful to see everyone all dressed up. I was in charge of photography. I don't know if you care or not, but yes, I stood there and made sure that everybody got a beautiful photo of themselves. And there's little Kudu's tail. And I have to say, I was very impressed because all of the guests came dressed in the theme of the event. And there you have it. You can see all the green and the teal gems, and I've just placed them. They have these wonderful little tools now at the Dollar Tree, and I don't know if they're for nails, but I think they're perfect to work with gemstones as well. Next, you will need a headband and those zip ties from your garage, so grab those zip ties. And this is a wonderful way to create a headband base. Now, you can just use the actual zip ties and paint them in different colors. You can paint them in gold or silver or put glitter on them. For this, I'm just going to keep everything black because this is going to be the support for my peacock feathers. Now, I have to tell you, I looked around different places to buy peacock feathers, and the least expensive, I'm sorry, I'm such a mess. The least expensive that I could find them were on Temu, as well as some other items. And there you saw I have little Luna also trying to help me. It was very difficult to work with feathers with two kitty cats, thinking that you just wanted to play with them. So here I'm just setting up the crown, as you can see, and just continue to add your zip ties. This is a wonderful opportunity also if you have any kind of event like Mardi Gras, or just want to create this goddess type crown. This is a lot of fun to do and very, very simple. So again, zip ties and a headband, and you're on your way. Once my zip ties were all in place, now I brought out this beautiful package of now I was going to say ostrich feathers, not ostrich feathers, peacock feathers. Look at these beautiful, beautiful peacock feathers. They're all in very good condition. And as I said, I did get these from Temu. This was not sponsored by Temu. I did get the feathers on my own. I purchased the feathers as well as some other items. But yes, I do enjoy buying my craft items from Temu. So here all I'm doing is taking the time and gluing one by one very delicately each one of these peacock feathers. And it's just amazing how well it turns out. I don't think I spent more than maybe $5 on creating this headband, and to buy something similar like this in Amazon or any store would probably start at least at $25, if not $40, because again, it is handmade and handcrafted to fit the exact outfit that I wore for the gala, which I'll also include a full-length picture of my outfit as well. Once you complete the lower level, I added a second level above that so that it would I don't know, it just looks more luxurious. And that's why I created that specific headband, because I am able to use a back side and a front side so that I can level off the peacock feathers. Now, if you don't have that opportunity and you have a thinner band, the best thing to do is to layer your peacock feathers one on top of the other, one higher than the one in the front, the back one higher than the one in the front, so you can see the beautiful design. And that way it also just enriches the headband and makes it look more luxurious. And again, I think it was 20 of these peacock feathers I got for like $3 or something. It was very, very inexpensive. Once I had all the peacock feathers done, now I'm going back in and adding some filler feathers. And these are just, again, very inexpensive feathers that you can get either from Temu, or you can find these at Hobby Lobby and Michael's. And I just wanted to fill up the area so that it just makes it a more, I guess, expensive looking headband. The more that you work at it, it just creates, when you create layers, I should say, not levels, but layers, it just gives it such a beautiful, expensive, and authentic feel. Once you finish all your feathers, now you can add your beautiful gems or jewels, whatever you want to add to the front of the headband to really make it look luxurious. Now, as I'm getting ready, I have to prepare my nails. I always do my own nails, and Madam Glam came in to save the day. They sent me this wonderful set of gel nail polish, and if you've never used gel nail polish, I can tell you for a fact the colors last so much longer, and they are so beautiful. And the depth of the color, again, absolutely gorgeous. There's glitter, there's confetti, there's all different types of beautiful nail polishes or nail gels that they have, including a base coat and a top coat. They also include in their package a little UV light to cure your paint so that it doesn't get ruined. Now, I'm preparing myself for the ball, so I decided on this beautiful color. It's between like a rose, it's like a rose gold. Now, this is the base coat, but above that, I'm going to add these rose gold glittery nail polish, and it looks so well with my dress. Once I have my nails all painted, I'm going to sit down and relax for a moment and watch a movie while my nails cure. Now, for each layer, you have to make sure you cure your nails for the allotted time, because if not, then it's not going to cure and they're going to scratch and scuff and become a mess. But if you sit down and take the time to pamper yourself, you will have beautiful nails just like this. Now, thank you once again to Madam Glam for sponsoring this video. I think it came out great and it matched my dress beautifully. My dress was from Temu that I purchased, and I had a fabulous time, and I think I looked fabulous too, but I always feel fabulous when I'm with you. As I always say, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure.